Headphones shown right here, i7s TWS. A very simple process. I picked up mine on amazingforless.com. They got a wide variety of colors. Check them out. Only $11.99. Pretty good quality. Free shipping on everything as well. So we begin. Very simple. Go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth on your cellular device. Once you do so, you can turn the charging case on with this little button posted at the bottom, and you can see that they're both charging when they got a red light. Once you see they're both charging, go ahead and pull them out of the case. You can see two power buttons on each headphone. Simply hold those down at the same time. You see a light begin to flash on each. When the lights are flashing, simply double tap or triple tap one of the headphones to connect them together via Bluetooth. It might take a little second there. As you can see, one remains flashing, which means they have been connected. Once they're connected, you can open up the Bluetooth on your phone. Fairly simple. I'm not sure if you could see there. It should show up TWS, i7, either or. Just go ahead and click that on your Bluetooth on your phone, and just like that, your headphones are connected. I have a link below with further instructions or the website where you can pick some up for a good price.